In this video, I will show you how to solve a linear equation in standard form for one in slope-intercept form. Let's begin with our first equation. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. We want to subtract 5x from both sides. So on the left side of the equation, subtract 5x, and on the right side of the equation, we also want to subtract 5x. Now, our new equation will be 3y is equal to minus 5x plus 9. With this, we are not done yet. We have to divide both sides by 3 so to isolate the variable on the left side. Right now, the variable on the left side has a coefficient of 3. We want to cause it to have a coefficient of 1. To begin, we will divide the left side by 3. Next, divide the first term on the right side by 3, negative 5x, and divide the second term on the right side by 3, 9. Now, we will find out what our variable is. So y is equal to minus 5 over 3x. Now that we have figured this out, we must divide 9 over 3. So plus 3, which is 9 over 3. Now we have solved for y is equal to 5/3 x plus 3. Next, let's do our second linear equation in standard form and solve it for slope-intercept form. First, we must do the same as we did last time. Subtract the x variable on the left side, minus 27x on the left side, and minus 27x on the right side. Now, this will leave us with 9y is equal to minus 27x. 27x plus 18. What we have to do next, divide the left side by 9, like we did on the other equation, and divide all the terms on the right side by 9. So minus 27x divided by 9 and 18 divided by 9. What this will leave us with is y is equal to minus 3x plus 2. Now we can check our work with substitution. Let's assume on this side x is 3 and on this side x is 5. Let's start with the left side. Wherever you see an x, replace that value with 3. So in our case, it will be y is equal to negative 5/3 multiplied by 3. And then add 3. So to simplify this more, it's also just y is equal to negative 5 plus 3, or y is equal to negative 2. Y equals negative 2. Now we know what our x is, x equals 3, and we know what our y is, y equals negative 2. Let's bring both of these values up to the top. X goes to 5, x goes to x, and y goes to x, y goes to y, and we will now finish this expression with those values in place. So we will do 5x, or 5 times 3, plus 3 times y, or 3 multiplied by negative 2. 3 multiplied by negative 2 has to be equal to 9. If it is not equal to 9, we screwed up. So 5 times 3, that's 15, plus 3 times negative 2, that's negative 6. 15 plus negative 6 is equal to 9, which means we got the left side equation correct. Now let's do it on our second equation. We need to substitute x equals 5 into wherever you see x in the second equation. So let's begin. Y is equal to negative 3x plus 2, so we will make x equal to 5. Y is equal to negative 3 multiplied by 5 plus 2. Now y is equal to minus 15, because negative 3 times 5 is equal to negative 15, and then plus 2. So y is equal to 13. Y equals 13. So we know that x equals 5 and that y is equal to 13. Let's, negative 13 actually. Let's move both of these variables so we know y. Carry that up to the y variable up here. And we know what x is. X is equal to 5. It could be anything, except we chose 5 to substitute in. Let's plug that in. So let's begin on that. 27 times, what did we say x was? It's 5. So 27 times 5 plus 9 times whatever we said y was. Y is negative 13. 1 times negative 13. Let's pan over. That needs to be equal to 18. Equals 18. Now, if this is not true, we must have screwed up in our math. So let's try this. I'll use my calculator. 27 multiplied by 5, that is 135. 135 plus what is 9 times 9 here times negative 13, which is our y value. Well, we can get our calculator. 9 times negative 13, that's negative 117. So 135 plus negative 117 needs to be equal to 18. Let's simplify that out. 135, so it's 135 plus negative 117, or 135 minus 117. We can easily do that math here. Won't take that long. 5 minus 7, it's 8, subtract 1 from there, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, and there we go. It is 18. 18 equals 18. We solved correctly, and we determined that we did by substituting the value x. Thank you for watching this video on how to solve linear equations in standard form for equivalent linear equations in slope-intercept form, or y equals mx plus b. We started with 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, and we ended out with y is equal to negative 5/3 x plus 3. And on our second equation, we started with 27x plus 9y is equal to 18, and we ended out with y is equal to minus 3x plus 2. We were able to solve from standard form ax plus by is equal to c into y equals mx plus b. Thank you for watching this tutorial.